may ganyan din sila.
Si Emma.
Okay na yun. Intro na malayo. Ang dami nila.
G. Good. Psalms 136 verse 1. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good, for His mercy endures forever.
Ang haba niya.
Isaiah 41 verse 10. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteousness. Emmanuel. Matthew 1 verse 23. Behold, the virgin shall be with child, and bear a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which is translated God with us. E for eternal.
Hadi.
Isaiah 40 verse 28. Have you not known, have you not heard? The everlasting God, the Lord, the creator of the ends of the earth, neither faints nor is weary. His understanding is unsearchable.
And here, Psalms 125 verse 18. The Lord is near to all who call upon Him, to all who call upon Him in truth.
We are Green Team. We are here to bring unity and sportsmanship.
Ay. Ay, ganun. Kaya ano. Ang dami ng green. Si Dali.
May news. May news.
Ay! Ayun. Kabog, hindi mo kinaya. Sa amin tinamog pa na.